That's probably about a, I don't know, 12-inch log or something like that. So let's see how it cuts. It's got a really good sharp. I did sharpen both chains with my grinder, my chainsaw sharpener. That thing is fun to run. All right, let me get you guys better. Let me get you guys focused a little better. And we'll cut into this big section right here. Let me lower it down a little bit. Don't worry, I'll grab that Husky in just a second. But man, this saw is fun. This saw is fun, man. Let's go get the Husky. Part of the reason I didn't cut the rest of that cherry up right there is that's got a burl in it, and I want to cut it up for something else. All right, let's get this one cranked up. That's it. That saw, I have messed with that saw more than I don't know what to do. I about had it with it. See, I try to get stuff done, even on a live. You see it, that thing was running great. I replaced the plug, and I was like, okay. So I put a new plug in it. It started running great. I ran it a little bit, and there it is again, trash.